Correlsense, we struggled for years to try and solve the big problem. Eventually, we figured out how to do it. Every single transaction passes through different components within the stack. What do I mean? Let's take an app server or web server, for example. An incoming request will first hit the network layer. Then it will go up the stream to the operating system layer. Because remember, every executable is eventually a file which is managed by the operating system. And all the executable services are provided by the operating system. Above that is the application code. And in case of a Java or .NET application server, you will have another layer on top of it, which is the platform. Because Java and .NET are interpreters. The actually executable is the JVM and the CLR, and the application code is another layer on top of it. So every single transaction will pass through all these components up and down. And then it traverses to another hop, going through the same 4 layers. Again, up and down. So we try to find the common element between these components, that if you can solve that element, then you will be able to trace through every single transaction throughout the data center. And that is this layer over here. If one can hook and see all the different incoming calls within the network and the OS layer, and really see every call arriving to an executable and leaving that executable, and able to correlate the incoming call with the outgoing call, then you can solve the big problem.